Have you ever been so stoked to get something and you're excited for it, you're waiting for a month, two, maybe more, then you finally get it, it's in your hands, you open up that packaging, and the best you could say is... eh. Welcome back to Vision All Access. If I had to name one person out there who would be mostly directly responsible for me wanting to actually become the type of YouTuber I kind of maybe think, sort of, maybe I am? Well, there's actually two. Joshua Vergara.
What's going on, everybody?
But the man that I directly hold responsible for this would be Michael Fisher.
This is Mr. Mobile. I'm Michael Fisher.
I have been watching this guy for years. I love his cinematography. I love how he reviews tech. And the fact that he's also a Star Trek nerd like me only helps situations. So when I heard this guy was becoming one of the founders of a new mobile tech product, needless to say, I was very... okay. Now maybe you've heard about it. It's called Clicks. Basically, it's for us old fogies who still remember the days of being on yonder Blackberries and liking the feel of tactile keys beneath our fingers instead of all this screen button pressing shit. Now technically there have been three products by Clicks. There's been the Clicks keyboard case, which we're not talking about. There's the Clicks communicator, also not talking about that. We're talking about the Clicks power keyboard.
And that is?
Let me fill you in. So this is the power keyboard. I was one of its early adopters, and here it is. So in this video, we're gonna cover a couple things. What made me wanna get this thing? Why do I think it's so great? And most importantly, why am I returning it? Sorry, Michael. It's true, unfortunately, this is going to be returned. Now, I'm just gonna post a little disclaimer here that I do really like the Clicks keyboard. It just wasn't a really good product for me, or at least the one I got. So before I get ahead of myself, let's start with the kind of things that really drove me to it. Well, the fact that my favorite YouTuber actually recommended it.
I'm not just a Clicks customer, I'm also a co-founder.
That always kind of helps because I respect them. And to be quite honest, I still do to this day like tapping on physical keys instead of screens. So let's start with the perks. First off, this thing has some nice premium heft to it. It does not feel cheap despite having a plastic outer body. When you deploy it, it's got that satisfying click, dual stage actually, which I'll get to in a moment. The actual typing experience is actually really nice for the size of keys that they are.
It's not the size, mate. It's how you use it.
The next reason why I wanted to get it was because they have MagSafe. I am a huge fan of MagSafe. And probably the final reason why I wanted it is because this thing actually pulls double duty. Not only is it a keyboard for your phone, as well as any other Bluetooth devices you can link it up to, but it also is a small power bank as well, with its own dedicated app. This product isn't bad, it was just, well, you know, bad for me. Okay, so the next question is gonna be, how do you use this thing? Well, unfortunately my phone is recording this, so I can't really use it on here. But basically what you do is attach this to the back of your phone. So as long as your phone's got a magnet on the back that can support MagSafe type devices, you can use this. It just sticks around the back to your phone. Just simply slide it to where it's visible, either in portrait mode or landscape, and then just type away to your heart's content. Another thing I thought this would be great for is I do spend a little bit of time on YouTube, and sometimes when I want to type on the search bar there, it was kind of nice to connect this to Bluetooth and simply type in what I'm looking for. The keys were backlit. I believe you could program up to 9 different devices that you could Bluetooth pair this thing to.
9!
And the app was actually fairly clean and polished. I mean, check it out. So now we get to the nitty-gritty of it all. Why am I returning what sounds like a pretty awesome product?
Well, we could find out what's wrong with you.
Well, unfortunately, the main reason that I'm returning it is this. I have really big thumbs, and these keys are pretty damn small. So naturally the typing experience for me, even though I did try it for a day or two, just was not ever going to be comfortable. So sorry, Power Keyboard, that was strike one. Strike number two. Now, I'm not sure if this was a design flaw, or maybe I just got a lemon, or maybe my phone with its case on was actually too heavy. But when I tried to keep it in portrait mode, the weight of my phone actually caused this thing to cave down. I seriously couldn't keep it up. Infantile penis jokes aside though, it was really annoying even to have this thing in landscape mode, which was my preferred use case for it, be typing away and then down goes the curtain. Another reason I'm not gonna say I disliked it because I kinda knew this going in, but just a downer that became realized once I got it. Even though this doubles as a power bank for your phone, it's not that big. It's only like 2,000 milliamp hours, and keep in mind, some of that power needs to be used for the keyboard. So yeah, it is definitely kind of cool that you can use this when deployed as a typing aid, but also charge up your phone with some extra power. But as a person who definitely loves to keep his phone above 50%, and I'm on my phone quite a bit all day, which is of course another thing to carry. And probably the last thing that put the nail in the coffin for this and solidified my decision to send it back and get a refund. Even though this is a really premium product and it's got the heft to prove it, that heft is going on your phone. So take your phone's weight, this weight, put them together, and carpal tunnel will follow.
That's not good.
Okay, I'm definitely over-exaggerating, but it just wasn't that great to hold it for a long period of time. So the Clicks Power Keyboard, would I recommend it? Yes, for the right person. If you can get by all of those little things that turned me off of it, maybe you have smaller fingers, maybe you like the typing experience and are willing to put up with all the other things. Maybe this is that product that you didn't know you needed. I'm not saying don't get it. I'm just saying put some serious thought into it before you do. But hey, the great thing is Clicks still has awesome customer service. I'm still able to return this for a full refund. And of course, Michael Fisher, I still love you, man, and I'm still gonna support your channel and your videos. So Clicks Keyboard, this is for you. But hey, I like my videos as conversations, so please get involved. Tell me down in the comments, do you think this is a great product? Have you ordered it? Are you still waiting? Do you have it? What are your thoughts on it so far? Do you agree with me? Or are you actually one of the people who likes it? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to also join the fun on social media. My handles are right down there, all Vision All Access. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, that's where I hold all the extras. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next Vision All Access.